Hello, my name's Lisa from SquareOne Training. I'm going to talk to you today about some Excel shortcuts and tips. The software package I'm using to record this is Microsoft Lync, which is a fantastic communication package which also allows me to record and present to you today. Just going to minimize this down. Okay, we have an Excel spreadsheet, and first of all I'm going to travel around the spreadsheet fast. So some of the ways that you may be familiar with is Control Home, which is take you to the beginning of a spreadsheet, and Control End, that takes you to the bottom. We also have up here on the formula bar a name box. You can see at the moment it says M34, which is the cell reference, and if I click that area I can type A1 and it will take me straight to that area as well, or anywhere else that I decide to type into the box. You can name parts of a spreadsheet. As you can imagine, a spreadsheet's big with multiple sheets, so you can click onto a cell or highlight an area and then simply click up to the name area and type the name that you would like to call that area by typing it into that bar and pressing enter. Okay, if I do that again for Reading, so if I click on that area, in that box there, and then type Reading. When you name the boxes or the cells, make sure that you don't use any spaces in the name, as it doesn't take that. If you need spaces, you have to do underscores. Name ranges are also very useful when you want to have multiple print areas. So if I highlight the range here, hold down my shift key and then click to here. This might be an area that I actually print on a regular basis. You click up to the name area, and if I call that print 1, and I can do an underscore there and actually call that Washington again. And then I might have the other area as well that I regularly print. So again, click on the first cell, hold down the shift key and click on the last cell. Click onto the name box, and this one we'll call print 2 underscore Reading. Press enter. So anywhere in a spreadsheet we now have name ranges, and I'll show you how they work. If I go to the file area, normally people go file print, and then it prints obviously the entire spreadsheet. Or you've got here active sheets or entire workbook selection. So let's use that print selection trick. If we go back home, I'm going to first of all highlight by clicking the down arrow and choosing the Reading area. That will highlight that active area. If I now go file print, just to show you, obviously you can do Control P as well. Print active sheets, if we do the drop down, and I would simply choose print selection and then print however many copies. You can see at the preview that will just give you what you've asked for. Okay, if I press the home area, that will take me out of there. And then no matter where I am inside a sheet, I can click the down arrow and I can simply say take me to the Reading. And that will work on numerous sheets no matter where you are on a spreadsheet. So if I go and put some extra sheets in, just click this button for now. There's various shortcuts that we can look at to put new sheets in, but I'll use that for now. So I'm on sheet 5. Down arrow, take me to Washington, again straight back to that area. Now, talking about sheets, you can move around sheets in various ways. There's various shortcuts. You first of all looked at what I've done. You can click on sheets, which most people are familiar with. Alternately, this is a scroll bar area which we usually use to move around sheets, but if you right click that area, you can actually navigate to sheets by clicking simply on the right mouse button and then left clicking on the sheet that you want. If you like keyboard commands, Control and Page Up, that will take you back sheets, and Control Page Down will take you forward sheets. So whatever you would like to use. So we've got some shortcuts of navigating around and moving around sheets. And now I'm going to show you some shortcuts for everyday things like adding up formulas, etc. So I'm going to click into C7, hold down my Shift key, and then click to F9, which highlights that area. And then using the keyboard, I'm going to do Alt and equals on the keyboard, and that's going to automatically sum that area. That quick, I'll do it again. Highlight the area, +1 active box, Alt and equals. Okay, you can see when I did that the second time, I held down the Alt key too long, which brought up the shortcut keys on the quick access toolbar, which is a great way of getting them as well. So other things that you may be interested in as well to know on that, we've got Alt and keyboards, is selecting columns. This time I'm going to highlight column K. Now we can do that by clicking up here, which is the normal way of doing it. But the keyboard command is to do Control and Spacebar. So wherever you are, wherever you click, Control, Spacebar. If you would like to highlight an entire row, just be inside that row, and that's Shift and Spacebar. And again, that will do that rather than clicking here, moving the mouse and clicking. Certainly a lot faster. So navigating, highlighting, and adding up. I hope you enjoyed those shortcuts. Many more to come. Please see me again. Thank you. Ciao.